Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon Quest Error Code 0. The error reads, failed to purchase additional contents. Please check your connection, wait for a little while and try again. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to make a purchase in the shop. Many players shared that the payment doesn't go through and they receive the error code 0 along with a Google Play error message. According to our research, this error is likely related to connection issues, payment method problems, or an issue with Google Play itself. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try making the purchase again. Once restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot. After switching the network, check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try using any other payment method and check if this resolves the error. If the error still continues, then make sure your device and apps involved in the transaction are updated with their latest version. Once updated, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then the issue is most likely with Google Play. In this case, contact Google Play support. Many players shared that after contacting online support, the issue was resolved within a few minutes. So try this and see if this helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues, drop them in the comments below. Thank you.